Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by collecting the evidence that anchors the story: original video, official statements, and timestamps. Once done, save metadata and original URLs so you can trace edits and deletions. Make sure to list any conflicting claims immediately and prioritize which source to verify first. You should act now to preserve perishable evidence. Use quick screenshots and logged notes. This establishes what you will test next and prevents losing critical context as the story evolves. You now systematically verify each element. First, run reverse image and video searches and attempt geolocation to confirm where and when footage was captured. Next, compare quotes to transcripts and archived copies to catch edits or misquotes. Once that's mapped, evaluate each source's credibility by checking author history and domain age, then weigh corroboration across independent outlets. If multiple independent sources match, confidence rises. If not, flag the piece for further scrutiny before any distribution. You finalize by publishing a clear, evidence-based summary that links to your supporting files and states uncertainty levels. Once done, provide context explaining how verification was reached and why specific claims were accepted or rejected. If new verified information appears, issue corrections promptly and highlight what changed. Make sure to retain an audit trail, timestamps, saved originals, and decision notes so you or others can reconstruct the process. Troubleshooting tip: if sources contradict, pause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.